The Planika Faro Propane Patio heater delivers strong, even warmth for outdoor gatherings while showcasing an elegant glass tower flame that looks striking on a patio or restaurant terrace. Its carefully engineered burner and glass enclosure keep soot buildup to a minimum so the flame stays visible and the unit looks clean with very little maintenance. Because it burns propane efficiently and uses fuel at a modest rate, a standard gas cylinder can power long evenings outside without constant tank changes. The smokeless, full-circle flame provides comfortable radiant heat without the eye irritation or lingering smell that often comes with wood or less refined gas heaters. Sturdy wheels, an internal space for the gas bottle, and a straightforward assembly process make it surprisingly easy to move and set up despite its tall, substantial construction. Built-in safety systems, including tip-over shutoff, flame failure protection, and secure ignition controls, give extra peace of mind for both home and commercial use.